Hi, this is another fishing video. This time I brought Austin along. Say hi, Austin.
Hi.
Austin's wearing Farby glasses, ignore that. You know, maybe I should have actually did this at the beginning, so if you're viewing this, this means we actually caught fish. Spoilers. So I'm using cut bait, and Austin over here is using dry flies. So he is cheating. He is using modern hooks.
Modern float. I haven't gotten that far yet.
Oh shit! Austin! Austin! Yep. Hey, that's a nice bluegill. I think it's a bluegill. Yeah, that's a bluegill. Come on, baby. Ha! Ha! Yeah, no, that's what this is about. There's a carp over there, I think. I don't know if you can see that. He's like, wait, what are you doing to me, man? There he goes. And of course, when I'm actually trying to put a new hook on, and I don't have the camera handy, Austin catches something.
Oh, I hit it hard. He barely even put the hook in his mouth.
Oh my god, I love when they do that. Oh damn! That's a pumpkin seed!
Yeah.
Shit! Alright. There he goes.
Write it down. Yeah.
Look, look.
Okay.
See? Alright, so put yourself in the late 1600s in this area, and coming along through here would have been none other than William Penn. This was where William Penn actually wanted to build the new capital of Pennsylvania. Not up the river in Harrisburg, right here in what was then Pineford. Huzzah!
Huzzah!
That. We did shoot some video here yesterday. It didn't turn out so well. We're actually, today it's just me by myself. So in fishing, always carry pliers, even if you're doing historical. He's fine. Bit here. We are going to try to get one of these. In there, come on. Come on, you see it. Take it. Help, yeah. Big guy's alive. Aha! Ooh. Ta-da! Come on, dude. No, I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to hurt you. I already poked you with a knife. Say hi to the camera. So, as you can see, what I caught was very easily enough to feed a small family, feed a person. Yeah, they're small fish, but that was only an hour worth of fishing. So, figure if I'd stayed here longer, could have fished for storage, could have fished for profit. It's one of the important things to note about fishing in this time period. It's not, oh, look at, I mean, yeah, it'd be great to catch something big, but if you're catching a bunch of small things that are edible, that's amazing. That's protein that you wouldn't otherwise have, fresh protein. So, take care, have an amazing week or weekend whenever I post this video, and we'll see you soon. We've got a few videos that we have planned coming up, an interview, for instance, not with me. I mean, that'd be terrible. I just talk to myself the whole time. Take care. As I was heading out, I noticed a big school of larger panfish, probably big bluegill, hiding over here in these trees. I don't know if you can see them. There goes one. So, definitely something to think about when you're fishing, is trying to figure out how to maximize what you have. I would probably use a full length fishing rod here, but I definitely cut down on how long the string was. Yeah, look at that. Those are nice ones. Take care. Have a good day. It wasn't deep, but it was navigable. Navigable. I'm probably going to delete that part. How many times do I say, what's that word off? Kelly, can you say it?
Naggle-gaggle.